Namaste everyone. Welcome to day 13 of yoga practice. Today's practice will be a gentle practice for a evening time. So let's begin. Sit in a simple cross-legged position with your palms on the knee, spine erect, face muscles relax. Keeping both shoulders relaxed, both arms relax, both legs relax, and keeping the abdomen soft. Make sure your whole body is comfortable and still. And then become aware of your natural breath, the natural inhalation and exhalation. As you inhale and exhale, feel the sensation of your breath at your both the nostrils. As you inhale, feel the coolness, and as you exhale, feel the warmness. Breathing very natural and a rhythmic manner. Now visualize the darkness behind your forehead and feel as if the darkness is surrounding your whole body. Now mentally prepare yourself for chanting one time Om with an exhalation. Take a deep inhalation. Feel the vibration in the space, vibration within the body. Then take your time and gently open the eyes. Keeping the palms on the knees, spine erect. Inhale, bring your chest forward, open, roll the shoulders. Exhale, curve your back, suck the belly in, head down. Inhale, open the chest completely. Exhale, gently take the head down, round your back. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, longer, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Inhale. Exhale, 6. Inhale. Exhale, 7. Inhale. Exhale, 8. Relax. Inhale, extend your both arms up. Exhale, gently place your palms forward and gently lean forward from your hips. If you can, rest the forehead on the mat. Keep the elbows on the mat, palms on the mat. In the final position, breathe naturally and have a sense of surrenderness, as it will help in the evening time to release the all-day tension in the physical body, emotional body, the mental body. Feeling sense of complete surrenderness. Let go of all the tensions and worries. Slowly walk on your right side. Over your right knee, bend forward. Letting go the whole upper body. Slowly walk to the left side. Letting go the whole body on the left side. Make sure your buttocks are resting on the mat. Then slowly come back into the center of your mat, and then slowly with inhalation walk back and sit with the spine erect. Now interlock the fingers in front and stretch your arms over the head. Exhale and twist on your right side. Turn the head far back to your right shoulder. Maintain this pose for 5 deep inhalation and exhalation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come into the center. Stretch up, exhale, release the arms on the knee. Again, take a deep inhalation, stretch your arms high. Exhale, twist on your left side, keeping the right palm on the left knee, turning the head far back on your left shoulder. Maintaining the pose with longer inhalation and exhalation for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come in the center, stretch your arms high. Exhale and gently release your palms on the knee. Now slowly roll back and lie down on your mat or your back. Whole body on the mat, then gently bring your feet together, palms beside the thighs. Now bend your right knee, interlock the fingers over the shin, keeping the left leg completely straight. Take a deep inhalation, exhale and bring your nose towards the knee. Inhale, gently take your head down. Exhale, take the head up. 2. Inhale, take your head down. Wind releasing pose. Exhale, head up. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale, take your head down. Exhale, take your knee to the left side on the floor while turning the head to the right shoulder, feeling the twist in the spine. Maintain this pose for 5 deep inhalation and exhalation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come in the center. Release your leg. Change the leg. Now bend your left knee, interlock the fingers of your left shin. Inhale first, then exhale. Take your nose to the knee. Inhale, slowly take your head down. Exhale, bring your head up. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale and then exhale. Take your knee to the right side on the floor. Make sure both shoulders are on the mat. Then slowly turn your head and gaze to the left shoulder as far as possible. 1. Breathe here for 5 breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come into the center and gently release your leg. Now bend your both the knees, hug your knees. Inhale and exhale, gently bring your forehead to the knee. Inhale, head down. Exhale, head up. 2. Inhale, head down. Exhale, head up. 3. Inhale, head down. Exhale, head up. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale, slowly take your head down. Release your legs. Completely surrender your whole body. separating the feet, separating the arms with the heels facing each other, toes falling out, palm facing up toward the ceiling, fingers naturally curved, whole body comfortable and the eyes gently closed. Feel the sense of surrenderness in the whole body. Bringing the breath to the natural state, and then become aware of your natural breath, the natural inhalation and exhalation. Deep sense of releasing of all the tension of the work, of the society, other kind of tensions releasing out from the body. Our individual stress to the social stress that we have throughout the day is releasing with this practice. Now you have to chant mentally 3 times Om with an exhalation. It's just mental with exhalation, so take a deep inhalation. Om. Longer. Second time. Third time. As you finish the Om chanting, gently move your fingers, move your toes, bring your legs together, bend your knees, then gently turn to your right side. Take the support of your arms, come up and sit in a simple cross-leg position with the palms on the knee. Thank you for joining this, a small session for the evening time. See you in the next session. Namaste.